tonight are asking for the public's help in finding the person responsible for beating a man unconscious. 28-year-old Ismail Jama was found in a ditch at Autumn Grove Park in Roseville on Christmas Eve. Police say they believe he'd been there for 2 days. As Kate Raditz tells us, his family is hoping someone will come forward with answers.
The family of Ismail Jama says they can't understand why anyone would want to hurt him.
It was something that was shocking. It was shocking. Could not believe it.
The 28-year-old was found semi-conscious in a drainage pond ditch at a park along Hamlin Avenue in Roseville. He had been there 2 days before a neighbor visiting the park spotted him.
Very lucky to be alive. The doctor said the cold may have benefited him with the injuries that he had. Had he been able to return to his vehicle, return home, he likely would have died.
Investigators believe Jama went into the park alone at night on December 22nd and was attacked by the tennis courts. They found his car parked near the park's entrance. Jama is in critical condition at the hospital, unable to communicate with family or police.
Can't talk to him. I wish I could talk.
Jama doesn't have a criminal record. He worked full-time in a Minneapolis daycare facility.
There's someone that, always here for the family,
Roseville police say they have few leads right now. They are hoping someone will come forward.
I do know someone knows something about this young man. I do know that someone should talk to us so we can find out what happened, so we can resolve this, not only for him, but for his family, who love him very much.
Police are not elaborating on Jama's injuries, but they say a weapon was used in the assault. If you have any information, call Crime Stoppers. The number is what you see there on the screen, 1-800-222-8477. You can make an anonymous tip, and police say your help could lead to a cash reward.